Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you to get a Merge Dragons modded version. So as you can see, I'm broke right now, but with the mod menu, you can get free gems, VIP, event pack for free, royal pass, premium land. It's all here. Skip ads. It's so good. So let's get into the video and I'll show you guys how to download it. So I'm going to enable unlimited gems and they should start to rise. And then I'll show you how to download it. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly to get it onto your device. This is the new Merge Dragons modded version for 2025. So let's get straight into the tutorial. First things first, guys, go ahead and go onto tweakmod.com, type in merge, press install, and it will install it. So there's a verification at the end. You just have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, all right, we should be good to go, bro. So yep, we're going to be all done. So let's just wait for this to load up here. As you can see, so basically this is like to keep the server alive and stuff like that they put this verification check in place. So as you can see, it says please install the missing files. So there's going to be all these apps. So just press on the app and then press tap to install and download it. It doesn't matter which one you do, but there's going to be a lot of them. So this one says down, use 3 days. Text now says make a 30-second call. Misplay says down and play for 4 games, 5 minutes each. So just do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused. And that will install the Merge Gardens mod onto your device. So yeah, it's so crazy, bro. It actually works in 2025. We got event pack for free, all this stuff. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get this onto your device. It's super cool and it is fully updated and everything. So I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but why would you want to play the normal game when you can easily install the modded version? So yeah, as long as you do this verification, you should be all set. It's super easy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but definitely go ahead and subscribe. This is super cool. There's a lot of other weird things down here, like get a free fridge or something you could try. But I would just do the apps usually, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's fully working, guys. So yeah, this is super cool. And Merge Gardens, or Merge Dragons is a very fun game, but unfortunately, I've had a lot of bad luck with my modded versions, but this one actually works, so I would very highly encourage you guys to try it out. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.